you have to make 10 calls to one person to get them interested. Most people give up after 5 calls. I think the issue right now is there's a lot of people who want to buy, they want to move, but they're just sitting on that fence. And it's not rates. Rates are actually pretty good from somebody who used to see 21% rates. These rates are fabulous. Are we ever going to get to the 1% and 2%? Probably not in my lifetime. Your lifetime, you're much younger than I am, maybe. But I think it's just a wait and see period now for people, because people are still buying some homes. And that's why you're seeing a flat, like you're saying. You're not seeing so much growth. And I think most people are in that way, except for the banks. The banks are aggressive because there aren't enough sales happening, right? They're not losing their renewals. That's why, a lot of talk about the renewal market. I think there was a lot of hope on brokers maybe getting some of that business, and some of them are, but I would say the majority of the banks are being very aggressive in keeping those clients. And typically they're a 90% renewal retention. They always have been. That's because they do great touch points throughout the year. They do 3, 4 credit cards, lines of credit. They do all that. I was at a sales conference with a Harvard professor, expert on sales. It's all the same. It's back to basics for brokers, I think, and for us as well. It's just making those calls. It's being consistent, persistent, and allocating that time every day and reaching out to your referral partners, to your clients, and just being committed to doing that. Just like for us, it's the same way. And those brokers that I see who are successful are the ones who continue to do that. We've had some really great years where brokers, you have to be reactive instead of proactive. And I think people are realizing, hey, I have to get off my ass and I have to hustle and go out there and make those calls to your referral partners, to your clients. You really have to be committed to doing that every single day. The professor said, on average, you have to make 10 calls to one person to get them interested.
Oh, wow.
Most people give up after 5 calls.
Yeah.
And one broker I talked to the other day, she goes, I will keep calling them unless they've died or they pretty much told me, lose my number.